Well, John, the biggest change this morning is that we're no longer under a blizzard watch, a winter storm warning for the Omaha metro area toward Lincoln along the Interstate 80 corridor in western Iowa, a blizzard warning farther to our north and west. What that means is that this low has shifted just a county or two north, and the strongest winds are going to be just a little bit north and west of Omaha. We're still going to get dumped on with snow. Farther to our south and east, a steep cutoff as the dry slot works its way in later tonight into tomorrow, and a rain-snow mix initially towards Shenandoah, toward Falls City. That's why very little snow in that area, 1 to 3 inches in southwest Iowa, 3 to 6 inches, Atlantic, Plattsmouth through Beatrice. In the Omaha metro, I think most of us see 8 inches or greater. The higher snow totals as you head to the north and west, and yes, over a foot of snow is possible. York, Columbus, Fremont, Tacoma, Ottawa, even toward Denison. That's going to be where thunder snow is also possible, and that's where the snow totals really start to rack up as we go into tonight and tomorrow morning. Right now, it is peaceful. No concerns this morning, no concerns until late this evening in Omaha. It will start off as a rain-snow mix at about 4 o'clock, but with warm temperatures and warm roads should not be an issue. But there's a lot of moisture, a lot of energy with this storm as it winds up toward the southern part of Colorado. Mid-20s this morning, how about low 40s this afternoon out ahead of the storm? Here's Storm Predictor at noon. Notice how late in the afternoon that rain-snow mix moves into Omaha. Here we are at 5 o'clock. Again, with the warm roads, with pre-treated roads, with the rain mixing in, there should not be an issue on roadways. Later tonight, after 8 o'clock, as it changes over to snow in eastern Nebraska, that's where things get rough. Western Iowa, if you're going to be caucusing, get home by 10 or 11 o'clock, and I really think you'll be okay. Look at the heavy snow move in after midnight through Tuesday morning. This is when travel becomes dangerous, if not impossible, across most of the KETV viewing area. Light snow continuing into Tuesday afternoon, and then everything starts to wind down Tuesday evening. We'll still have some pretty strong winds and cold temperatures on Wednesday morning, and then quiet as we go into Wednesday afternoon and Thursday. Temperatures do climb into the low 30s into the upcoming weekend.